I'll show you how you can save a CapCut video in your gallery on your iPhone and or Android. Now, of course, you'll have to pick a template first. I'm just going to pick a random one here. Let me just pick this one. Pick on use template just like that. And then I'm just going to pick any random back pictures here. I'm just going to pick this image of a stock guy here. Now, once you make sure that the things are right, the template is working correctly, all you have to do is to export it, right? Though the way we're going to save it to the gallery is that we're going to export it, which means we're going to render it, and then we're going to save that to the gallery, right? So of course, just click on export here, and then just click on export. If you want to export it without a watermark, you'll need to upload it to a TikTok account, but let's not do that. Let's just save it immediately to our gallery. So of course, just click on export, and then wait for it to export. Please don't close CapCut or lock your screen, so keep your screen on, right? Just wait for it to load, wait for it to load, wait for it to render. And that's it. Your project has been saved to the device and been added to projects. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.